Understanding Dye Workshop, a guide to colorful expressions. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning session. We're going to explore a phrase that's as colorful as it is interesting. Dye Workshop. If you're curious about what it means and how you can use it, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in and add some color to our vocabulary. The term, dye workshop, refers to a place where dyes are made and used to color fabrics. It's a space of transformation where white or plain cloth comes in and emerges vibrant and colorful. The process involves various techniques and materials to achieve the desired hue and pattern. But it's not just about textiles. The phrase can also be a metaphor for creativity and change. Long ago, dye workshops were the heart of textile production. They were the birthplaces of the rich tapestries and fabrics that colored ancient civilizations. In these workshops, artisans would experiment with natural substances to create a spectrum of dyes, making each piece of fabric unique. This historical context enriches the phrase with a sense of tradition and craftsmanship. In a broader sense, a dye workshop can symbolize any place or situation where transformation occurs. It could be a classroom where minds are enlightened, a studio where art takes shape, or even a kitchen where ingredients turn into delicious meals. It represents a creative process where ordinary things are turned into extraordinary ones. You can use this phrase to describe places of change or to express the idea of transforming something simple into something spectacular. For example, you might say, "This writer's retreat is a real dye workshop, where plain ideas are turned into beautiful stories." I hope this session has brightened your understanding of the phrase, dye workshop. May your language learning journey be as vibrant and transformative as the most lively of dye workshops. Until next time, keep coloring your conversations with new expressions. Happy learning!